Hello again, welcome back to the Unloved Garage channel. So, this Subaru, you might have seen the previous episode. If you didn't, we'll catch you up. Now, this I bought from CoPart, a little bit of a gamble back in January, see what happened with it, and we ended up rebuilding the entire engine because it will blown itself apart. Now, let me bring you forward to today. Alright, so the engine is now completely rebuilt, it's back in there, and let me show you the most important thing. It lives. Now there's a few little bits and pieces, including an air leak that we still got to solve, but for the main part, it lives. It sounds really, really good, and I'm about to go drive it. Let me show you the exhaust end first though. Clear the windscreen a little bit first, maybe even take the CoPart stickers off it, but we might leave the bonnet off for now, American style. So that actually went really, really well. It's got a couple of little issues, as I said, that I know about. The air leak that I mentioned, power steering fluid is empty as well. I found that out. But other than that, it actually runs really well and drives really well, so that's always a win. I think we'll sort this out, put the bonnet back on, give it a clean and make it like a car again. It's so big. Of course the bonnet is way more. So James is midway through the Subaru, gets distracted by a car that I've bought and finds contents in it. Anything you'd like to say for yourself?
We've got dust covers. How banging is that?
Wow.
We've got an uneaten timeout as well.
I love that. Mint. As you may remember, or may not even know, it's got a big hole in the wing there. So, you good there, James, yeah? What? You good there, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. It came with a new wing, so we're going to put that on. So, new wing is on. No big damage on there now, which is always nice. And apart from marks and the dirt, it's actually the cleanest part of the car, so I think we better fix that. Alright, so that's where we're going to leave this video. I just want to give a little shout out to the new stuff that's coming. You can't buy these things yet, but this particular one is just a little bit of fun, let's call it, towards the specialists. To this that's had this car and a couple of others that have been here. They don't seem to be able to let them work out, and we seem to be able to let them work out. Hence, this one now runs and drives, as you've seen. But yeah, just a little cheeky little thing. As I say, new merch is on the way. I can't say exactly when it's coming just yet, but as soon as I can, I will. I'll keep you informed. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video.